very big and warm welcome to my channel, The Nick Diaries. And a very good day to you. And I hope everyone is keeping safe and healthy at their home during this time and period, which is COVID period. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please do check out my Instagram account also, The Nick Diaries, where you can be regularly updated about my day and what I'm doing in life, and also my reels, which is like mind-blowing on the Instagram these days. So do check out my reels also there. I know I have been lately out of the picture and out of my channel, but now I am back. I was out due to COVID lockdown and I was not able to travel and some personal issues, so I was not able to make the videos, but now I'm back and I will be updating regular updates of the videos now from my channel. And since today is Rakhi, so all I am ready for the Raksha Bandhan to be celebrated with my brothers, and today is also a special day. So it's a new day for me, a new hope and new beginning for everything and for the coming year. So today I will be celebrating Raksha Bandhan and I'm already ready with that. It's a simple look. I haven't done anything else, so it's a simple look, and I am wearing a Pakistani dress which I will be showing you, and I will be celebrating the Raksha Bandhan. So let's check this out, and do subscribe to my channel, and let's check out my Raksha Bandhan preparation. Let's go. So let me show you my Rakhi thali which I have prepared, and this is Potpoli. I didn't go for real flowers due to COVID. You don't know from where they are sourcing. These are my Rakhis. You can see beautiful Rakhi. This is like Daza Bandhu, and this is Om Sai Ram Rakhi which I got from my brother, and this is Roli and rice for Tika. Only the thing missing in this thali is diya and sweet, which I will be putting when my brothers are ready to get it done. So you can look at this. I know it is not beautifully decorated that much, but I loved it. So let's start with our Raksha Bandhan ceremony. Best thing he loves is chocolate cake. And he is my youngest brother, cousin brother. Chocolate, so I have purchased the pastry for him. और ये मेरे कंजूस भाई है, तो मुझे कभी गिफ्ट नहीं देते. ये देखो what they are giving to me, सारा शापा कर दिया इन्होंने रक्षाबंधन. आशीर्वाद तो लो मेरा. जो ये देखो खाते खाते कर रहे हैं. So we are finally out from the home now after celebrating Raksha Bandhan, and now we are heading towards Gurgaon. So we will be just going there and picking up our sweets from that store. I will be showing you the store, which is very famous, and they have a very good quality sweets there. So we are just going to pick up that, and let me show you how the Gurgaon is now. Gurgaon has changed a lot
So let me show you there. So finally we have hit the highway to reach Gurgaon, and the traffic right now is not very clear, not at all, due to Sunday also, and it's a festive time also, and the weather is really good. You can see it's very good, no sunny, it's like cloudy weather, and you can explore. And don't forget to wear your mask, because you can be fined for 2000 rupees if you're not wearing mask. Even if you're traveling in your car, it's compulsory to wear mask. And we have entered to Gurgaon, and you can see this is the Ambience Mall, which is like biggest mall here, which has been known that it is 1 kilometer mall. And you can see actually there is a lot of development in Gurgaon, and the person who developed is DLF. They have a lot of properties here. And this is the cyber city there. And this is the new buildings which have been come up, and see the scenery here. It's so beautiful, and the roads are amazing to travel in Gurgaon. You can say these are Haryana roads. You can see this, so beautiful buildings constructed and with so good infrastructure. So we have finally reached to the Gurgaon and near Paral downtown center, and I'm here at this place which have such a beautiful food options, and I will be dining it, and let me show you what all is to here to dine in. I was talking about, so I'm waiting for my order to come, and this place have a lot of option to eat, a lot of Domino's, and like you can have a good meal here. So I'm planning to have something, so I will be going to food court and will be eating and will be showing. Till then I wait for my delivery boy to come here and give me my parcel. So this is my cousin who is enjoying the burger and some South Indian, and for me it's momos and peach tea. So let me enjoy my meal. So after having our meal, now we are heading back to our home, and I have taken my parcel of sweets, and this is the parcel, and this is from Perifilla. They have really good sweets which I will be showing at my home, to you at my home, which all sweets I have brought. So let's go. It's festival time and we don't have sweets, that's impossible. So I have got sweet from Perifilla, which is in Gurgaon, and they have really good sweets. So let me show you what all I have got it, and see how beautiful their packing is. See how beautifully it's packed, and let's see what's there and see. And let's open it. And it's so beautiful, the modak. If you're a fan of modak, see, these are actually sugar free because my father doesn't have sugar, so they are totally dry fruit made modak with outer mawa coating. To have it, the festival is all about sweets. Let me show you another thing, which is, let's see what's there in this one. And this is the another piece which we have got it. Actually my brother got it, so I have no idea what is there. And this is the second piece which is there, the box, and see how beautiful it is decorated. If you wanted to gift, you can gift and write it here. So let's open it, this one also, and let's check out what is there here. See how beautiful the box is. And this one. And see how gorgeous. This is actually a ghevar. These are all different type of flavors. I think this is rose, this is pista, or pan might be, or this is I think malai ghevar, and this is kesar ghevar. So this is all in the flavors which they have given us. So you can check it out. It's festival time, so we should enjoy sweets, but it should be in moderation, because eating too much of sweets is not too healthy for it. We don't get sweets regularly, just occasionally, so we are going to enjoy it. And do let me in the comment section also which sweet is your favorite and which sweet you prefer during the festival season. Finally, this Raksha Bandhan, my brother has gifted me something, and this is which he has gifted me.
He never gives to me anything on Raksha Bandhan. He's like, just take 10 rupees or 1 rupee. But this time he said, this gift you are needed. So let's just check out what he has given. So this is the one thing he has given me. This is GoPro. He said, since you are into this, and also he's a blogger, so he gave me this. So this is what he has given me. The second thing he has given me is GoPro mic, which he said you need it. So you can check it out. So he has gifted me this gift and he was telling me, see, I have given you a very good gift. This is for today's vlog, and I enjoyed my Rakhi day with my siblings, and I hope you also enjoyed Rakhi celebration with your siblings, because making memories with your friends and family is very important. So make beautiful memories with them. They are integral part of your life, and do let me know in the comment section what thing I missed and what should I have done better, and I will be waiting for your comments, and see you in the next vlog. Till then, keep yourself healthy and spend some good quality time with your family, because this is the time where we can make memories and make our bonds great with our family, because these are moments which are there to cherish forever. Till then, I will be signing off now, and I will be meeting you next with another location or some new topic to be checked out. So keep watching and do subscribe to my channel and hit like button, and do let me know what you missed and what you love to see next in my videos. Bye bye.